Hello everyone. This video is an introduction to a Google Chrome extension called Session Buddy. Okay? You can see the name up here, and there's also a link in the description of this video. Session Buddy is really useful because what it does is it records the current tabs that you have open. So it makes it really easy to create lists of products that you're interested in. It also gives you the ability to open multiple links at the same time. So I'm going to give you a quick example of how this works. Let's go to Amazon. And from Amazon, we're going to make a quick list of 5 items. Okay? Let's scroll down here. So we're going to click open in a new tab, 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 and open in a new tab. So now we've gone through and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 items, right? But I'm going to prune some of them. So I'm going to go through and be like, all right, $100 Prime 2, that's too expensive. I don't really like electronics. So we're going to get rid of this. And I do Control W to get rid of it. And then this, all right, 16 bucks, I can do that. 100 bucks, okay, cool. Oh, that's not an item link. We're going to get rid of that. And then this, 26 bucks. Okay, cool. I'm all right with that. And this, 30. Oh, it's not in stock until October 11th. I'm not too worried. I'm not gonna do that. So now we have some items. And if we go back to Session Buddy, we can see here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you guys. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see all of the tabs that we have open. So we have the ability to click Save and be like, okay, this was my drop shipping session. Amazon on 10/7. Okay? So now we can exit out of this, right? And then open this back up, go into Session Buddy, and then double click on it. Double click on this window, and then look. Hey! It just opened all of the tabs that we have. That's really, really useful. So another thing that Session Buddy does is that it allows you to import and export lists of URLs, right? So I'm going to show you an example of this. We're going to export all of the links we currently have open. So say that you opened a bunch of new tabs and there's too many of them, but you don't want to lose all of your tabs because those are good products that you thought were interesting and worth posting. So you can click over there and then click export, copy all those, right? And then you have all of the URLs that quickly, which you could then use to post in HydraLister or whatever. You have a list of URLs, right? And it also works the other way. Say that you have made a list of URLs and you want to open all of them. Then you can go over into your settings and click import and then paste the URLs here and then click save. And then this is going to save a new session under saved sessions. And if you double click on window, then it's going to open all of those links. Session Buddy is a really, really useful tool for dropshippers, and I encourage you to use it. It takes a little bit of time getting used to, but there's one more thing I want to show you. What you can do is have like a saved setup. So say that you are posting items. Well, if you're manually posting items, what you're going to have is, first off, you're going to have your eBay page, right? So there's our eBay page. And then on top of that, you're going to have something like Title Builder. Title Builder. And then on top of that, you're going to have something like UPC site, MDB. And then maybe a Google page. Okay? So we have our eBay page where we post the items. We have the Title Builder page where we research keywords to figure out what to put in the item's title. Then we have our UPC lookup database, so we know how to find UPC codes. And then we have our Google page, right? So every time you start posting items, you got to open all these up again. But if you use Session Buddy, then you can just save a session, go to save here, and then name it something like posting tabs. And so now, instead of opening those one by one every time you want to post items, you can start by opening Session Buddy and then just double clicking on posting tabs, and then they'll all open without you having to do it one by one. So you can click this button, go make yourself a cup of tea, do whatever, right? I love Session Buddy. It's a great tool and it's free, so I really encourage you to use it. All right, guys. Ciao.